Do you think Florida's recent expansion of its python hunting program will reduce their numbers? It might, but we still have a huge problem. These pythons lay so many eggs. Around 40 eggs each. That's a dissected python inside. And the Florida Everglades animal populations are not equipped to counter the Burmese python. If this were a video game, this would be an overpowered character that needs to be nerfed. Snakes are good at hiding. They don't announce their presence and make themselves easy to hunt. And some pythons, they lay even more eggs. This one laid 250 eggs. It wraps itself around the eggs and guards them. Thankfully, it was in captivity. Invasive species are a very real problem in Florida. We have too many weird pet owners. The python problem here was caused because a hurricane knocked over a giant facility that had tons of pythons in it, spilling them into the Everglades live. Please obey pet laws.